It is extraordinarily widespread. It's into the rural as equal urban areas. And to everybody who lives in a rural area, you are not immune or protected from this virus. And that's why.
That warning from federal health officials this weekend about a new phase of the coronavirus.
They say people living away from city centers are just as likely to get the virus. Wish TV's Dan Klein spoke with people in Tipton County, which had the highest positivity rate of cases in all of central Indiana last week. Dan.
Yeah, one father tells me he takes it seriously, but he knows some of his neighbors are a little bit more indifferent. He believes it's easier to forget about the pandemic out in the country. It's something officials hope doesn't happen. If you come to Tipton's Main Street, you'll find a place where military veterans are honored with photos outside the courthouse, the tallest building for miles around. For David Sutton, masking up before getting dinner.
It's also important that we do protect each other.
He's got 4 children, including one with acute asthma. That's why he especially doesn't want to bring the coronavirus home, but admits he wears his mask mostly out of respect for businesses, many which have signs requiring one on the door.
I'm just going to do what's asked of me. If you want me to wear a mask, go into your business, I'll wear a mask.
Tipton County has just 16,000 residents, with about a third living in the city of Tipton. Last week, more than 15% of coronavirus tests were positive.
I think it was a wake-up call because we were kind of patting ourselves on the back.
Mayor Thomas Dolezal says for months he's been trying to get the message out about social distancing and wearing a mask, all the while being careful to be a good example to others. In some ways, the data, as well as the warning from Dr. Deborah Birx,
And to everybody who lives in a rural area,
are not surprises, no matter the size of the population here.
It is an issue. It's not going to pass us by. We're going to have the same type of challenges that large communities have.
Actually, it doesn't scare me.
A different viewpoint coming from County Commission President Jim Mullins, who says while he believes social distancing and masks are important, he thinks this virus should be treated more like other pandemics he's seen in his lifetime. And he's especially worried about the financial toll to businesses.
I think they're scaring people to death, and it's obviously serious. We've treated it seriously, but I'm not sure it's everything that they're making it out to be.
I do want to make sure I'm compliant.
Those like Sutton believe when you see the flowers, the banners, the quiet streets, it's just a little easier to forget what's going on elsewhere, as well as right in the middle of Main Street.
Yeah, because it's everyone's carry on like their usual days.
Some positive news today for Tipton County. Its rolling 7-day average dropped today and stands at 13.9%. Now, there are 5 counties statewide with positive test rates over 15%, including Grant County, which is at 16.2%. Reporting in the studio, Dan Klein, Wish TV, wishtv.com. Be sure to follow us on Facebook.